Hi, I am Shreya Bhutra's father. So talking about APSIT, initially when I had admitted my daughter to this college, I had a lot of apprehension. Is it the right college? Will it give the right platform for my daughter? But I am extremely happy that I chose this college. Over the years, I've seen tremendous improvement happening as far as the infrastructure and facilities is concerned. More importantly, I would like to talk about the opportunities that this college is bringing forward for my daughter and the other students as well. So I personally believe that what is taught in the college is definitely in line with the university, but what is more important is the additional courses and training programs which the college brings in for the students. And years where I believe APSIT has done wonderful with the 40 collaborations they have. A lot of training opportunities have been given to my daughter and the other students as well, and this includes the like of companies like Palo Alto, Cisco, Red Hat Academy, etc., and all those things. Beyond this, I believe there was specific trainings being conducted on the aptitude testing side, which is wonderful because this makes the students be ready for the opportunities that they are going to be facing in life, and how to face all these tests, etc., and all those things in life. And finally, I'm told that there are some other technical courses also which the college repeatedly brings forward, which I'm really happy to see the kind of efforts which the college and the management is putting behind this. So thank you, all the best, APSIT.
Everyone, I am Rekha Agarwal, parent of Parvi Agarwal, studying in second year IT. I am really glad that my daughter is studying in AP Shah Institute of Technology, which not only focuses on regular academics but also provides very good platform of project-based learning, and it also provides various courses like Oracle, Cisco free of cost to the students, which is really useful for their enhancement of technological knowledge. And also the infrastructure of college is very good with all well equipped classrooms and labs. So yes, I'm really happy that my daughter is flourishing in this college, and I pass on my best wishes for the bright.
Hi, myself G.G. Godepure, parent of Gayatri Godepure, who has passed BIT through this institute in 2020. I had a very nice experience of APSIT, which I would like to share with you. Institute culture is very nice, having firm and supportive management, highly qualified and educated, experienced HODs, young and energetic faculties who always thinks the betterment of students. During PTA meeting, every parent has an opportunity to interact with the faculties, and HOD sir personally discuss the progress of the student with the parents. College campus is safe and secure, very excellent infrastructure, smart and air conditioned classrooms, computer labs are well equipped, and library is well organized. College has provided a e-learning platform named as Moodle. Through this, all the study materials and resources are provided to the students, and parents can view the attendance and the performance of the student on this platform. To enhance the technical knowledge of the students, college organizes value-added programs such as Red Hat, Big Data. For this, college has collaborations with 40 plus organizations, and college also provides certification course on the very futuristic technology such as AI and blockchains, etc. I would like to mention one thing here is that all these courses are sponsored by the college. In this institute, Pre-placement activities such as aptitude training sessions, personal interview, group discussions are also conducted in this college. The GATE coaching classes are provided free of cost to the students. TPO cell organizes a campus placements to all the students, and I would glad to share that my daughter has got selected in L&T Infotech through this placement. Lastly, I would say APSIT is a very emerging institute, and admission to this college was my best decision thanks to APSIT.